The quest to update my outdated master bathroom continues. And while I was really concerned about this project on day 1, it's day 2 now, and I'm actually smiling, y'all. To find out why, stay tuned.
Hey, good people. Welcome to MommyRoomREDO, a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy.
In this episode, we're on day 2 of the MommyRoomREDO Master Bathroom Makeover. You'll see the main focus is on the shower area, but some other activities were tackled too. And you'll see some of the main products that we used. Let's get started.
This is our shower, and day 1, everything was ripped out. So we see that the contractors have closed up the space. Cool. And this box is here. And so what this box is the area for our niche. I'm super excited about that. Previously, the owner had something hanging from the shower, and it was to hold your shampoo, conditioner, soap, things like that. I hated it. It was so unattractive. So this niche will make it so that I don't have to use that hanging thing from the shower anymore. So thumbs up for that.
Hey sis, we know you've been watching MommyRoomREDO content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now.
So we also have the bottom of the shower has been covered. Yesterday it was completely open, and that's cool because they're prepping it to be able to tile it. So I'm excited about that, and I will show you the tile in just a minute. This ledge right here was double the size, so they halved it. And so what that means is that they will only require half the granite that's supposed to go on here. So it was probably about this big before, so now a smaller piece of granite can be used. But the other benefit is that the shower is so much wider. So I want to see how it feels to be in a shower this big. The only change that has taken place to the garden tub is this new faucet set. And I wanted to ensure that this could be changed to match the rest of the faucets in this bathroom. Prior, this was a gold chrome color, and I was really concerned that they would not be able to switch them out. So I see that they did. They were able to do that because when they halved this ledge over here, it gave them access to the tub and to be able to change this. Now, this is my only worry, this tub here, because it's the only thing that will be old in the bathroom. So I'm wondering if this tub will stand out because it'll be a lot older than the other items in here. I don't know yet. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I made the choice to keep this tub as is to cut down on price. But then when I went shopping, I realized that tubs this size are really not that expensive. So I probably could have just added it in my budget, but I made the choice, so I'm going with it at this time. Now, this window is going to remain the same as well, but I am going to make a change. I'm going to cover this with a film so that it will keep folks from being able to see me in here. And you know, it will kind of cloud my vision from looking out as well. So that's the only thing I'm a little bummed out about, but I do need some privacy with this window, so it'll be covered up. All right, so you see the lighting has been removed as well as the mirror. The old light fixture, if you recall, was a big old clunky one that went from one side of the room to the other with a million of those Hollywood bulbs on it. So we're gonna switch those out and make it 2 lights instead of the one, and we're going to add 2 mirrors instead of the one to go over those 2 sinks that will be installed. The water closet has been painted, the toilet has been removed, and the flooring has come up as well. So you see that they're prepping this area too, so we'll see. Yesterday, you may recall that there were blotches of paint here where I was testing out different colors. So you see that they've covered it with the paint of my choice. And I want to tell you, I really like it. Again, it's a combo of lavender, brown, and gray, and it really pops. And what I like about it is the color changes as you put different light on it. So I'm excited to see how it will look when all the lighting is in here. I just wanted to show you some of the supplies we'll be using. So this is the shower head that I picked out. To be honest, now that I'm looking at it live, I'm not crazy about it. I think I'm going to put this upstairs and get a better one for the downstairs. And now we have this right here. This is for the floor as well as tiling the shower. As I said in a prior video, this is the largest tile that they have at Home Depot. It's 24 by 24. I'm a little nervous because it looks a little slippery, so I wonder how it will be to walk on. But the person in the store promised me it would be just fine once they grout it. This right here is just for accent. So this is going to cover the shower floor as well as the inside of the niche. Some things I do differently. I would not have had my master bedroom painted before they started the master bath. They keep getting little nicks on it. So for example, they put this door on here and it kind of messed up the paint. So I'm not crazy about that. But the gentleman who's doing the work assured me that they will fix anything that they damage. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that they will do exactly that.
And now for our question of the day. What lessons have you learned during your last Mommy Room redo? Put those tips down in the comments.
Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.